What's going on, guys?
What's up, guys?
We are back to another episode. We are in lovely Redding, California.
Redding.
Never been here before.
Smoky as hell here, too.
Super smoky. We are out here for SneakerCon San Jose, so we got another like 3.5, 4-hour drive to go. We got the lovely U-Haul holding all the goods. All the goods.
8:45 a.m. We made it to Redding last night. Stayed in this Airbnb, and then we have another 4-hour drive to go. So we're gonna make it to San Jose today. Got a little buyout to do before SneakerCon, and then Saturday, Sunday will be SneakerCon, which you guys will get some videos out of that too. But yeah. Take you guys along the ride. Y'all are all propped up on a cup of ranch right now.
As Tia just said, ranch always comes in handy.
We got the little U-Haul right here. 4Runner ranch.
All right, let's see what this meetup is gonna do. Let's see what San Jose brings us. I hope the smoke clears up a little bit.
Yeah, guys, it's super duper. Well, I guess it doesn't look that smoky right now, but last night it was thick,
really bad.
Thick boy.
We had Mongolian grill and sushi last night. Sorry we didn't vlog it, but it was good. We were starving last night, but all right, guys, let's get right into it.
You guys already know we had to stop at In-N-Out and grab a big old greasy burger. And Sage has never been here before, so had to do it.
Do it!
Alright, all done.
Demolished it. Demolished. It was really good. Probably not the best burger I've ever had, but I don't eat ground beef that often, but it was good. The fry sauce, Tia and I were going back and forth on if it's Thousand Island. And I think it has
definitely
more of like
Thousand
a
Island.
tartar because it has the pickles. What's it say?
It says Thousand Island.
Okay, you're right. Definitely worth the stop.
Better than McDonald's?
Yes, better than McDonald's for sure.
Here you go, guys. You can have a bite.
Ow.
Okay, time to get on the road again. Right now it is 12:25. We're about an hour and a half outside of San Jose. Aaron, I just texted him. He said his ETA to San Jose is 11 p.m. So he
Oh my gosh.
so he's got like a 14-hour drive. But yeah, about to get in the car. Hour and a half outside of San Jose. Gonna go meet up with Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Yeah, his name is Jeff. So. Okay, we have arrived in where are we? Cupertino?
Somewhere I don't know. Somewhere that I had never been before. First stop, we are here to do a meetup. We're supposed to meet him at 3. We are 10 minutes early, so we're just waiting on him to get here. Buying 80 pairs, I think, right?
80 pairs.
80 pairs. We're gonna see where we can fit them. It'll be fun.
All right, let's go grab them. Got most of the pairs here. First one, dead stock, Off-White Chicago, size 10. Super crispy, super clean. Another one of the best pairs in here. Dead stock Off-White UNC. What was it? 89 pairs? 98 pairs total?
I don't know. Keeps just bringing out more and more and more.
Okay, guys, we just got done going through every single pair. It is, I think, like 110 pairs or so. Came up to $24,060. What do we got? We got just like a bunch of general release dunks. Stuff that will sell well in the shop. He hit on some of the Yeezy restock too. Got some of the reflective clouds.
I know there's a size 7.5 in there, and
it's gonna be too small. What else? A bunch of the black and white dunks, which are super good sellers for us. And then the highlight of everything, Off-White Chicago's, brand new, size 10. Another highlight, brand new Off-White UNC's. What is this, a 9.5? So yes, thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.
Appreciate the business. So we're about to load it all into that thing. Shout out DJ for backing it.
yeah, thanks DJ.
Okay, we're waiting here. We're about to hit 80,000
80,000 subscribers. All right.
A minute now.
Got Chase the editor here.
Oh yeah.
Anastasia. 779,998. We need two
Come
more.
on, y'all. Two more.
Got some beautiful flowers. DJ back there.
I'm just here
Got the
for moral
DNA
support.
show in the building.
I'm here for moral support. Flew all the way out here just for this.
Just
Going back home in the morning.
just hit 80.
Alright, y'all. We call it the PJ real quick.
I
parked it out back.
Get on the money.
Okay, as soon as we ended the video, it popped up to 80,000. Woo!
80,000. Let's go.
100K tomorrow.
Okay, on the road to 100,000 now. Thank you, everybody. What's up, guys? Here we are on day 2.
Day 2.
Here with Aaron and his wife Nicole.
What's up, guys?
We are on our way to San Francisco for the day. I'm gonna go do some touristy stuff until we hit SneakerCon tomorrow. So we'll get some good food, check out the bridge. Anastasia's never been there. So we're gonna go check it out, walk around, and see what we can find.
Does this view remind you of anything to you?
This what?
Does this view remind you of anything?
It looks like at home.
Yeah, exactly.
Like Seattle, especially with all the fog and stuff.
I know, I didn't bring a hoodie and I'm
I know, I
low-key a
drove
little
15
cold.
hours to come see the scenes that I see at home. Just kidding, no, this is cool.
Tia, you ready to drop in?
Yeah, fun fact, guys, Alcatraz Island is Rebirth on Warzone is like designed after the island of Alcatraz. So I can see the water tower right there, I can see Bio.
We're geeking out. Alright guys, so I see some kids over here, some guys.
She's gonna be creepy.
Be creepy. But they got some nice kicks on. Let's go see what they're wearing.
Yep. Got the Rays, the Paras.
Don't mean to interrupt, but can we get a little what's on feet for you guys?
Oh, yeah. You were from, the store in Snake City?
Yeah,
Snake
that's
City.
it. Hell yeah.
You seem
Yeah, what do you guys got on feet? I saw them from across the way, so I had to come say what's up.
Oh, thank you.
We got Nigel's, we got the new Para SBs, we got the Fear of Gods, and the
Platinums.
Plats.
Where are you guys from?
Friends and family.
Mérida.
Yeah, where you guys from?
Mexico.
What? You guys are just visiting over here?
Yeah, us too. We'll be there.
Nice.
If you guys see us, come say what's up. We'll have a booth and stuff, but hell yeah,
Yeah.
love it.
Nice.
Yeah, nice to
cool.
meet you guys. Thank you. Last one you see the 3 laying and the 1 upside down. Eating all up.
That's how Moscow sleeps. Kind of magnets. These be on the fridge. If you sleepwalking, I just go eat it.
Like the donut ones.
Okay, we have decided upon our food spot. It's gonna be Cheddar Hut. Oh, that bro.
Thank you.
Got fish tacos, grilled shrimp. Let's go get it. Who's here?
Thank you.
Fish tacos?
Thank you.
And eggplant chowder. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, busting out the edges.
Straw for you, women, or? Oh, yes, please.
Close over here.
So we can share. You're trying to creep over onto my food.
No, I know you're gonna want my fries. Alright guys, that's gonna do the end of today's episode. You guys got to go around San Francisco with us a little bit.
We're ending today in GR Deli Chocolate Factory.
And sour candies that I got from the sugar stop or something like that. This is my kind of treat and that's hers.
Yeah. But thank you guys for coming along with us. We had a great time in San Francisco. Yeah, looking forward to SneakerCon this weekend.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hope to see some of you guys there. If you guys saw us, thank you for stopping by and saying hello.
Yeah. Alright guys, we out.
We out.
Next time.